Hey guys, today we're going to demonstrate a press up, which is really good for low back pain, including things like sciatica or disc pain. Alright, it's really important to do this properly so that we don't aggravate it and that we actually help it to heal. Alright, so what you're going to do is lay down on the ground. You're going to go into like a push-up position where your hands are right underneath your shoulders. Alright, right here. And then all you're doing is pushing with your arms and your chest. You're not using your low back, you're not using your neck, you're not using anything. Actually, with the neck, there's going to be something that you do at the end. But until that position, until we get to the end, you're going to have your neck in sort of a chin tuck kind of position. Alright? So a little bit of a chin tuck going on, and we press up. And that's why it's called a press up. Now that we're here, some people are going to be so tight that their hips are going to be kind of up in the air and slowly have to let them go, let them sag down. Ideally, this is where we get to, but if you're still not there, there's another thing you can do to slowly kind of let your body go further and further down, and that's with the neck, okay? At this point, now we look up and we breathe. Breathe out, okay? Once we're up here, we're holding it for about 3 breaths. And with each breath, we're trying to get more and more of this area right here to sag down and down to the ground, okay? Because this is the area that we're going to have problems. This is the area that we want to fix. All right? So again, this is the press up. You start like this, and you push yourself up, and then breathe. Okay, and that's just 2 press-ups, but ideally you're going to do about 10 of those. You're going to do about 3 sets with about a minute or 2 break between sets. Okay, that's the press-up.